Dinner time, guys! Puro nakakain dito sa Cagayan. Oh my God. And this is our ulam, guys. See? Sino yung hindi gaganahan kumain pag ganito yung ulam, guys? Look at that. Inihaw na sili, guys. Oh my God. And look at this sausawan. Oh my God. Diba? Ang sarap. Tapos, meron pang prito na scary fish daw, sabi ng mga Amerikano. See? It's tilapia, guys. We call it tilapia here in the Philippines. It's not scary. Tasty. Delicious. Tapos, meron kaming adobo. Chicken adobo. This is the adobo. Ayan. Adobo ala Chef Brother. Okay. Kain tayo. Sana hindi maanghang. See? Oh my God. Rice. Sarap. Sili. Sarap. Chili.